film. Okay, so happens is, it also doesn't work from here. This guy, you have to get by this and here. Simple. Now it's hard to get under the waist sometimes. You can get under the hip, the thigh is fine. This is fine. If you have both hips, both legs, it's fine. And now across, both my hips, same thing. Yeah, it's in already, okay? Simple. Now it's funny, if he turns a little bit away from me, I pass the guard. That's the only way to stop this. If he turns the wrong way, it makes it even worse. If he is able to turn and slip out of this, I will pass the guard. And this falls into my comparison, I say a lot. A good leg attack game will help your guard passing, and a good guard passing game will help your leg a lot, because they're complete opposites. In boxing, it's like straight punches and hook punches. Together, they work better, you know? If you're a boxer, you just throw hooking punches, or just straight punches. It's not the same as having different angles coming up. So having the guard passing and leg lock game together, complete opposite games, they combine perfectly, absolutely. So as I'm looking to pass, as I'm looking to sweep, these are all available. As long as you have both legs. If you do it like this, with just one hip, it's not gonna work. Turn. He's gonna easily escape any way you want, right? So you have to have both legs, and that makes it really effective. If you have a cup on, it's worse for him. But you should be able, just like any kind of arm lock or leg lock, you should be able to do this without a cup on. But with a cup, I think it'll break his kneecap off or something. I mean, it's just devastating. So it's one of those things, it's an extra, a little bit of leverage you'd have if you have a cup. Small detail.